have something really big for you to experience today, and I'm actually super excited for you. So to start off though, I'm just going to point out why we're going to do what we're going to do. If you are like most people, you wake up each day and instantly become who you were yesterday. Same thoughts, same feelings, same reactions, same patterns. And even though it's just your brain and body doing what it's been trained to do based on your past, for the most part, you fully believe in what you are thinking and feeling. This is me, you claim. This is my life. And then you settle right into and repeat your days again and again, feeling the same way, getting the same outcomes. You know you want to change, but oh well, maybe someday things will be different. You wait, you look to the manifested to tell you who you are and how you feel. But right now, in this short video, you have the chance to interrupt that patterning. And it won't be by reciting 100 empty feeling affirmations or telling you to work on a long to-do list. Because what you often need is stillness. You need space. Space, like Joe Dispenza delivers in his meditations due to all of its massive benefits. You need a moment of awareness without distraction, without controlling, without trying to become anything. Because here's the truth, real change doesn't happen when you're over-efforting your way forward. Real change happens when you remember what you are before the programming, before the stress, before the story. So for the next few minutes, we're going to do something incredibly simple, incredibly powerful, but not necessarily easy. We're going to practice being, not becoming, not fixing, not thinking, just being with wherever you are at, right where you're at. You know there's a good chance that you will think, I can't do this, my mind is just too busy. But I want to urge you to just show up, to be okay with being unable to control what's inside your head, all the while taking on the role of the identity of the noticer of your patterns and feelings. This will be a process as you learn to detach from the intensity of your mind and body programming. So are you ready? I'm going to be here with you, holding the space for who I know you truly are. Your focus will be on your sense of being, noticing all that arises in you. This will eventually become a huge discovery about you. I'm excited. Change will take place within you by just being with what shows up. So this exploratory discovery will be about communing with the empty yet full space, that timelessness of real you. Overall, I want you to become aware of your mind and your sense of being, and that's it. Now let's begin. Okay, wherever you are, sit up tall, but not tense. Let your shoulders drop. Let your hands rest gently wherever you would like to put them. Let your body relax, deeply relax, if you can, as much as you can. And let your attention come inward. Close your eyes or lower your gaze and just breathe. You don't need to take deep breaths. Just be natural. Effortless. Easy. Nothing to change. Nothing to improve. Just this. Right now, notice that you're aware. Not of any particular thing, just aware. You're not doing anything to be aware. Awareness is already here. You might notice thoughts and being fidgety. That's fine. Let this come and go as it does. You are not your thoughts. You are the one noticing them. You might feel sensation in the body. Let it be there. Let everything be exactly as it is. Beingness is behind the loudness you might feel right now. You're not here to control anything. You're here to witness the awareness that notices your body and mind activity. Not changing or fixing anything. Tune into beingness. It might feel like effort to get there. That's okay. True you is without effort. It is who you are. You are not a thought, not a memory, not a role you play. You are the field in which all that appears and disappears. Stay here. Nothing to figure out. No past. No future. Just this moment. Just this stillness. If the mind becomes active, that's totally okay. Don't fight it. Don't follow it. Just return to this stillness, to this quiet knowing that you are here, present, alive, aware. There is nothing missing and nothing wrong. Just be. Remember, you're not doing being. You are being the awareness of all the coming and going within you. Feel the space around your thoughts. Feel the openness behind your eyes. Feel the calm of not needing to do anything. This is the space of pure potential. Stay here a little longer. Just being. Just aware. Just still. Noticing what is showing up. It's all allowed to be there. But it's not you, and you are not it. Fully relax into awareness as the noticer, as the deep noticer of it all. Fully relax. And now bring a little movement into your fingers, into your face. As we come out of this, maybe take a soft breath in and exhale fully. And whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes. So yes, your mind has been firing and wiring the same neural programs over and over until you believed you are that automated, automatic identity that you just observed, that you just witnessed. But that stillness of the observer, you, that you also just touched or will eventually touch, stay with it, it always comes. Ultimately, that space of awareness of all the coming and going of your life holds the real you. And meeting it is one of the foundations of real transformation. You are not the mind, not the story, not the habits. You are truly awareness. And that awareness is where the type of relationship you had with your old self and where your new self begins. Do this exercise every day or whenever you can, even for 2 or 3 minutes, and you'll start to feel the shift. You'll stop reacting, you'll start responding, you'll stop overthinking and start living from presence. From there, you tune into the quantum field, you get healthier. From there, you find it easier to rewire your brain for true power and abundance. That's how you become no one, so you can become, as Joe Dispenza says, anyone, anywhere, anytime. Thanks for being here today. Take care.